loves. Thank you all for clicking on this video today. I'm Geraldine of Diva Decorating, and I'll be sharing my first spring tablescape with you. And also, this is a sponsored video in collaboration with Tivisiy. I'm bringing in early spring by introducing lighter and brighter colors and happy vibes. I'm using coral, white, and gold for my color scheme. But first, we'll do the unboxing and then we'll be decorating the table for early spring. So Tivisiy, in association with Hyde Park, who devotes itself to environment and sustainability for a better planet, better life project. So first off, I love the packaging. I have two. So the first one is the Swan wooden LED night light. It's great for your desk. It's great for home decor. It's even great as a gift or for yourself. It has sound activation as well. And this is the cord that comes with it. So also in here we have the remote that goes with it. It has all the different colors on it. You can change from color to color. This is so beautiful. Look at all the detail they have inside here. You can see, I believe it's ducks in there, and also the 3D wood carving is just beautiful, beautiful work done. The detailing is just gorgeous. They have flowers inside there. It's just absolutely gorgeous. These are all the beautiful colors that I'm filtering through. Now this is my second box, which is the Monarch butterfly, which would make a perfect gift for a mom or a wife. And here's the remote as well. And look at all the beautiful colors, and you can see that beautiful detail work again with all the lovely flowers in there. It's just absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous hand carving work. We'll talk about these beautiful pieces some more later on in the video, but now let's decorate the table. So as you can see here, with this beautiful coral sheer curtain and these beautiful gold chargers and mirrored crystal tray. So I'll let you finish watching the video and I'll be back a little later on. Thanks for watching, loves. So if this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you, and I would like to let you know that I do DIYs on this channel, tablescapes, hauls, room tours, unboxing and reviews, shop with me, and some cooking. But if you would like more cooking videos, please jump over to my other channel, which is This Diva Can Cook Too. And you can get all the good recipes and good cooking over on my other channel. And to my Diva family, Welcome back, guys. I'm so glad you stopped in today. How are you all? Thank you for stopping in. Thank you for always commenting and for always supporting the channel. I love you guys so much, and I really appreciate your support. So guys, this is the finished look of my first spring tablescape of 2023. I think it came out absolutely lovely. And guys, I did not purchase anything for this tablescape. I just shopped my home for this look. I have a setting of 4, and I just went for an easy and simple design. Nothing too fussy or over the top, just something very easy to put together. So if you would like to get your hand on any of these creative artwork pieces, I will leave the link and my special code down in my description box below, because they have loads of wood carving designs to choose from. They even have jewelry that you can choose from. So many different styles and animals, flying birds, all kinds of animals on there that you can choose for, aquatic animals, just anything that you're looking for. These make great home decor pieces, guys. I would like to thank Tivisiy for collaborating with me. And also, guys, if you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I would love to have you join the Diva family. Thank you all for watching. Guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye, my loves.